In an M&A transaction, part of the process includes a phase called due diligence. Due diligence is essentially an in-depth investigation of all aspects of the target company, including financial, legal, and operational issues. Typically, your due diligence team is going to include several advisors, including an accountant or CPA, financial advisors, and your legal team, and potentially other advisors that are specialists in certain areas that are needed for the transaction. When it comes to the legal due diligence, the legal team is really going to focus on a couple areas. One is going to be all the legal documentation, so reviewing contracts, permits, and other agreements that the target company has entered into to make sure there's no issues and that those agreements can either be assigned or assumed by the buyer entity. Second is risk assessment, so reviewing any encumbrances on the assets or also reviewing potential litigation or employment issues that may be coming up and to help stop those at the pass or at least know what's coming up from a due diligence perspective for the buyer entity. And third is drafting the legal documents themselves. So a good legal team is going to be able to take the information learned from the due diligence process and incorporate that into the legal documents. So in short, think of your legal team as just part of the due diligence process and the team that's going to help prevent any nasty issues that may come up post-closing and make sure that you're walking into this transaction with eyes wide open. If you have any questions about an M&A deal coming up or the due diligence process, please give us a call. We'd love to talk to you and see if we can help.